Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share you about a new plugin called Clone, and I think this is one of the best plugins which we use in 3ds Max, I believe. Uh, so let's see where we can download the plugin, and obviously I'll be giving the description link below. So it's download from i2 software, a website called i2 software, and there is an option to download. So once you click download and after downloading, you will be able to see in a folder called clone and go inside the folder, check which 3ds Max version you're using. I'm using 2021, so I will go into 2021 and I will copy this DLM file called clone.dlm and I will go into my C drive. I will go into program files, Autodesk, 3ds Max 2021. So we'll go into plugins folder and we can just paste it here. So once you placed it, reopen your Max file and the plugin will be loaded in the modifiers panel. So let's see how we will use that. So what is the main purpose of the tool is, so for example, I have taken a sphere here. I have drawn a sphere. So suppose if you want to copy the sphere into several number of copies. So I just copy this one into, for example, 10 copies, let's say, for instance, and I have copied 10 copies of the sphere. And imagine after some times of working, let's say we want to change the distance between each ball. So what will we do? We want to redraw the sphere again or delete the rest of the spheres and copy it again. So instead of doing that, what we can do, select and delete the rest of the spheres. So select the sphere, go to modifier list and go to, if you will type C, you will get clone. Yes, if you will type CL or go into the C, you will get clone here. So once you click clone, you can see the parameters below. So the first parameter is called how many number of clones. So for example, you have put 15 or 20, let's say. You have put 20 number of clones. Now there is a XYZ options for displacement, rotate and scale. So what does this mean is, so once you, let's go through each and every values of this option. So in displacement, if you will go through, if you'll drag it the values, so you can see that it's getting copied into what value of distance we needed. See how handy it is and how friendly this one is. So which means anytime, so once you go out of the options and if you click the sphere again, the clone modifier will be there and the values will be set there. So anytime you can change the value. So that is the best thing of this plugin. So if you'll go into top view within a straight line, so one, if you will go into the y-axis, so if you will increase the value of y, you can see that it is getting rotated. See, now it is going in an angular way, like 45 angle it is getting rotated. And if you will move into the z-axis, it is going into height. See, if I'll press front view, you can see it's going into the height. So you can play with the options, you can draw any object, you can play with those options and see what kind of effect. The best thing is that you can, let's go to the next option called rotate. If you will try adjusting the values of rotate, you will get different kind of effects. Let's see how it comes when we give values for this rotate. See, see how beautiful it is forming. See, it's forming a DNA. It's coming as a DNA shape object or coming as a spiral copies of sphere, let's say. So this is just by adjusting the value of x here. So if you will turn into y, it will, wow, it's like atoms and molecules getting here. It feels like I am remembering my science old chemistry textbooks and all. I can see so many effects like this. So if you will move the z value, it'll go up for sure. So that's about the rotate. And let's see what scale does. Whoa. You see how, like, for example, a tornado, we have created a tornado here. It is going like, oh, again, I'm rotating this one. Ooh. See, I got a very different kind of an output here. That's very good actually. So let's increase the scale. No, that's too much. I don't think we need scale that much. Just we need to apply a little bit of scale. So we have got something like this by adjusting the values of x, y, z and rotate. Let's see what happens if I will go into displacement again, and yeah, it's almost the same. We are just moving the axis actually. So, and after trying these options, there is an option below that one called random displacement. If you will apply that one and apply the values, will increase the value. See, it's randomly going into somewhere and somewhere instead of equivalent equal distances. Something is happening here. So it's scattering separately. See how beautifully it is placing here now. Even if you increase the z-axis also. So you can try out these options by drawing any kind of things. For example, if I will draw a box here, just checking, like, let's see what kind of effect we get. So I have drawn a rectangle here, and you can try another option also. I will tell you now. Just you can copy this clone, like right click the copy, and you can paste in this object. Let's see how it comes. It's a bunch of tweaks we can say here, and we can add the ooh. See, so you can create a variety of objects like this one, like for showcase items and all. You can try these values and you will get a different result, and you can use that maybe. See, and if you will apply this, change the values of random displacement, you can see how it is coming. And there is an option called random rotation also below that. So it varies from 0 to 180, I guess. Yeah, no, 0 to 360. See how it is moving. And random scale also. Yeah. So I think that's it about today's video. So I hope it's very helpful for you guys. For I think so that's it for today's video. I hope you had found this very useful by this tutorial, by this plugin. I guess many of the people know about this tool. Like most of the visualizers use this tool. Like for beginners, for those who haven't used this plugin yet, I'm telling to use it one because it's very helpful and very time-saving tool. It's very handy also to use this one. So if you are liking my videos and my tutorials, please like and subscribe and give your valuable feedbacks and comments so that I can improve in my next coming videos. So let's see in the next video. Thank you.